I haven't told them where we are.
Who's them?
Them.
Oh, you're vlogging.
Yeah. Nandito pa rin kami sa, what is it called again? Villa Dulce. Malapit lang siya sa bahay namin. Mga 30 minutes away lang. Naliligo pa sila ako. Ayoko na. Wala akong dalang damit. And then gabi na. Mga 7 pa. Late na rin kami pumunta. Nakarating kami dito mga 5 ata. Akala ko kasi tatanggalin ko yung top ko kanina. Hindi ko tinanggal kasi walang nagsi-swimsuit dito. Ayoko lang naman ako lang mag-isa. Kaya ayun, basa ng ano ko. Sila nandun pa sila. Yan si Marlon, si Mark, si Miss, si Jubilin. Ito yung main pool nila. This is the main pool, right? Yeah. Looks like it, yeah. Di siya kasi kalaki. Okay lang. Ganyan. And then may isang pool pa doon. Tapos, may isang pool doon para sa mga bata. And yun lang, tatlong pools. Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Maribago Resort. Mag-check-in kami dito ng mga 3 gabi. Kasi paalis na to si Mr. Bear. Nandito lang kami sa lobby. Na kami kanina, nakapagpasyal. Kasi nandito kami mga 11:30 ata. Tapos wala pang available na room. Merong available na room. Pero nag-change kami ng yung malapit sa beach. So, yeah, they're getting it ready for us. Alas 3 pa daw available yun. So, dito muna kami. Nakapag-pool na kami kanina. I mean, yung billiards. Tapos, nakapaglakad-lakad na din kami doon. So, parang, hindi naman nalibot. Pero, yeah, na-check na namin yung, facilities nila. Binigyan nila kami ng parang ginger honey. Parang ginger honey na drink. Maganda naman yung lobby nila, actually. They already saw you. Maganda yung Christmas tree nila, oh. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna vlog. Yeah. Oh, I like Twix.
Oh, God.
Now I'm not getting chocolates. Dito kami sa grocery. Bibili kami ng food. Yeah?
Yes, not too selfish.
I'm gonna talk to myself.
Oh, this is that cheap chocolate though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just get something like cheap, like good chocolate.
Okay.
How much is that? 10.
That's like only 10. That doesn't look good at all, though. I'm gonna tell you what's good. Char, as if I know. Ooh, no. Hey, chill there, people.
I'm getting carried away now.
Oh, are you serious? Oh, that almonds should be good. I like almonds.
Which ones?
The almonds. You just took it. It's good. Yeah. What else? Let's go to the chips area.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, are you good?
Yeah, got 4. Can always get me one tomorrow. I'll eat this tonight.
No, don't eat it tonight.
No.
That's a lot. This is good. Cheese spring. No. Okay, this is really cheap though. Like 10. No, not 10. Chips, heaven. Nasa heaven ako. That's cheese, nacho. Yeah. Yummers. I haven't tried that. I have tried Outback. That was really good. Ano bang masarap na chips? Ano po yung Outback? Walang Outback. Ooh, popcorn. That's 17.
That big one?
That one, yeah. This one is $12.50. This one. Okay. It's a different brand. Should we get a cart?
No, not bad.
Is it bad?
Doesn't feel like a lot compared to.
Yeah, that feels like a lot. Just get 2 of that small one, right? I still haven't seen my chips. Nakabalik na kami. Diyan kami naglaro kanina sa pool. You call it pool? Pool. Maganda naman dito, malaki. Pero yung room namin malayo. Meron pa silang ganung ganap. Oh, stars. It will light up at night. It will be really cool. Lagi kami dumadaan dito sa may way naman dito. Mas malapit kasi dito. Sa restaurant, why not? Ooh. Dito na kami. Andyan yung room namin. Pinaka-end talaga. But yeah. Nice view. We're back! Nandito na kami sa kwarto. Okay na naman yung kwarto nila. Hindi kasing laki ng Crown, but it's okay. Hanapin ko lang yung toiletries. Okay. Here! So, ganito yung room. Maliit lang siya. Pero okay lang naman. Nandun yung CR. Tapos closet. May TV. Meron silang minibar na this time may laman. Hindi kagaya ng Crown na walang laman. But this time it's full. So, that's good. Anyway, hindi naman kami kukuha dyan kasi meron naman kaming amen. Okay, let's do a grocery haul. Okay, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung labas. So, ganito lang yung labas, guys. Meron kaming veranda na ganap dyan. Pero, yeah. Close natin kasi naliligo si Mr. Bear. Okay, I will do a grocery haul. O, diba bongga? Para malagay ko na rin sa fridge lahat. Bumili ako ng, hindi ako nagbayad nito lahat. Siya nagbayad lahat. Butter cake ata yan. Tapos, dumaan kami sa siomai place. So, bumili din ako ng siomai. Bumili ako ng 6 and 2 hanging rice para matry niya. 4 lang ata yung mauubos ko. So, para matry niya kasi gusto niya i-try. Ang daming mga papel. Dumaan kami sa maraming massage place para i-check yung mga prices. And then ito, bumili ako ng Himalaya Herbal facial wash kasi nakalimutan ko yung, no, hindi ko nakalimutan, pero naubusan na ako ng facial wash ng Eye White, yung sachet, naubusan na ako. We got 2 water kasi hindi namin nakita na may water palang complimentary kanina. So bumili kami ng water and then Gatorade para sa kanya. Let's put that in here. Bumili rin kami ng Dutch Mill. Ito para sa akin to. And then para sa kanya, Chucky. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, itry mo yung Chucky. Kasi mahilig siya sa chocolate drink. Sabi ko yung Chucky way better sa Milo. Meron kaming coconut water 3. Mahilig kami sa coconut water eh. Oh, dito you guys. Ang daming chocolate. Gusto niya itry yung mga chocolate natin. So, ang dami niyang binili. We have nips. Hindi ako mahilig sa chocolate eh. So, wala akong pakialam dito. 2 nips. Bumili din siya ng Goya. Tapos, bumili din siya nito. Kumuha na sana siya ng mga chocolate na alam niya. Kaya lang, nakita niya tong mga to. Sabi niya, ang mura lang daw. So, bumili siya. And then, ito din Oreos. Bumili din siya ng Quadros. Isa lang yung binili niya. Sabi ko gusto ko nun. Pero isa lang yung binili. I'm pretty sure uubusin niya yun. And then, we have 2 popcorn. Isang Regis. And then, cheese ring. And then, last one is the Big Munch. So, yes. Naghahanap ako ng Outback. Walang Outback. Yun sana yung gusto ko. So, nakikita niyo yung difference. Yung isang hilig sa chocolates. Ako naman sa chips. But, yeah, that's life. Kakainin ko yung siomai ko kasi gutom na ako. Nag-breakfast kami kanina. Actually, dumaan kami kina Marlon kanina sa bahay ni Marlon kasi yung bahay nila malapit lang dito. So, yung ginawa namin, sumabay na lang kami kay Papa kasi it's Monday, diba? 4 palang gising na kami, guys, kasi alam niyo naman si Papa ang aga pumunta dito sa city para sa trabaho. Tapos, sumabay na rin si Miss at saka si Marlon kasi yun na rin yung routine nila every Monday. Aalis talaga sila lang maaga every Monday morning. So, sumabay na lang kami. Nagstay kami sa bahay ni Marlon ng Marlon, yung kapatid ko, ng mga 3 hours. So, natulog muna kami doon. Tapos, nag-tricycle lang kami papunta dito. We paid we paid 80 pesos. Yeah, tapos hindi na kami nakapag-lunch. Kasi yung room namin, may inayos pa, yung exhaust fan inayos. So, medyo natagalan. So, kailangan namin maghintay hanggang 3 p.m. Yun din naman talaga yung check-in nila, 3. So, yeah, okay lang. I did try fluffy something sa aking ring finger. I painted my nails just today lang. Kahapon, tinanggal ko yung nail polish ko. Tapos, kanina sa bahay ni Marlon, pinaint ko yung nails ko. This is Sassy Nail Polish in the shade Pussy Red. And then this one is OMG Nail Polish in... I forgot what's the shade. But this one, nilagyan ko siya ng fluffy something na para sa nails. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa kanya talaga. But nakita ko siya sa bahay ni Marlon. Sa girlfriend niya to. So, tinry ko siya. Hindi siya ganun ka-special. I actually don't like it at all. So, yeah. Pero sabi niya, matagal daw siya matanggal. But whatever, I'm not sure if you really can see. Basta may fluffy siyang ganap dyan. But yeah, kakain ako ng siomai. I'm so hungry na. Ganito naman itsura ng bathroom nila, guys. Not bad at all. So, nandyan yung sink. Tapos, may malaking mirror. And then, dito, nandyan yung toilet, seat. Tapos, dito yung shower area nila. Meron silang maliit na bathtub. And, yeah. So, shower muna ako, guys. I will use the Himalaya Herbals. This is actually the first time I'm going to use this whitening face wash. I believe this is mga 89 pesos ata. So, we'll see if it's good. Can I vlog?
As long as you don't ask me any questions during your vlog, I'm happy with that. That looks cool around there, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Let's see if we can... Nah, you can't really see it. Pero maganda yung view, guys.
I reckon we're in the best spot in this whole place.
Hello. Ang bait ng staff nila dito. Can you see me? You can't see me. It's dark. Punta kami sa kabila.
Let's walk right around.
Yeah. Happy hour. They have happy hour. Let's check what time.
Yeah, that's not too crazy.
Yeah? Oh, here. Oh, is it the same?
Same.
Lobster. Ang mahal ng lobster.
Sure.
Ang ganda. Super nice. That looks really pretty.
Yeah, it does. It looks cool.
Naka-on na lahat ng lights.
We do a good job at night time here.
Yeah. Lahat ng Christmas lights nila. Ang ganda yung lighting nila dito. Palabas kami. We will have dinner sa labas. So, kailangan pa namin maglakad sa labas. Meron din silang kids area. Dito kami pupunta. I think this is it. Okay. Ang ganda ng tables na may hot talaga. Thank you! This is nice.
It is nice.
So they have like separate huts and tables for each group,
Each couple.
each couple. I want seafood.
Did you get that Mariaga bar rice?
Mari, what? What is it?
Mabago.
Read it for
Monopoly.
Mari. That's R-I.
I'm gonna go M-A-R. Bago.
Maribago. Maribago. Not Mar-I-Bago. You want to? Yeah, we should get that. The lobster looks so good, but it's so freaking expensive. We have that fried rice. Garlic shrimp, that looks so good. Yummers. Mango shake. Hintay na lang namin yung iba pa. Before maubos, big scallop. Yummers. Ang laki ng crispy pata, hindi namin maubos. Tapos ang dami pang skin. So, ganyan lang. Tagal kasi dumating. Hindi namin alam ganyan pala kalaki. But it's good. Do you like it?
It's good.
Hi guys! Nakabalik na kami sa kwarto. I-off ko lang yung ano dito sa labas. Tapos, yeah. Edit ko na tong vlog. So, good night na guys. Bye! Good night! Ang dilim.